This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Location. Single family, spacious home, west/4 beds, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, and big yard. Located on a wooded lot, on a cul-de-sac. Spacious floor plan, big, separate dining/living room, eat-in kitchen. Spacious rear lot west/deck. Great location, near interstate, oceanfront, and military bases. Sold as is, no closing cost to be offered. Cash or rehab loan only. For more information, review the details below.